Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Brooks from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe for a beet salad with whipped goat cheese, pistachios, and oranges. The salad is easy to make, it tastes amazing. You can also just follow the recipe for the whipped goat cheese and it makes for a great spread or dip. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you do, please don't forget to press the like button below, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. I am using some large beets to have some nice and wide slices, but any size of beets should work. Start by peeling the beets, then slice them with a mandoline. The slices should have between 1 to 1.5 millimeters in thickness. Once the beets are sliced, place them in a microwave-safe container, covered with plastic wrap, and microwave on high between 3 to 4 minutes. You may need to adjust the amount of time depending on the size and amount of beets that you're cooking. Using a microwave is an easy and quick way of cooking beets in a fraction of the time that will take to roast them. The beets should be cooked but still have a little bite to it. For the whipped goat cheese, place 8 ounces of goat cheese in a food processor. Let the goat cheese sit at room temperature for 30 minutes before using. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey, a good pinch of red pepper flakes, and 2 tablespoons of cream. Then beat it until soft and creamy. Then place it in a container and reserve it for later. Next, chop some toasted and lightly salted pistachios. Then, peel and cut 2 oranges into wedges. I am using navel oranges. Blood oranges also work great. For the dressing, make some good quality balsamic vinegar, about 1/4 cup, with 1 tablespoon of honey, and you can also add a pinch of chili flakes if you wish. And now it's time to plate. I like to start with a layer of the beets. Then add 1 slice in the center. Top it with the whipped goat cheese, the pistachios, then add another layer of beet, goat cheese, pistachios, and repeat it for as many layers as you wish. I like to have at least 6 to 7 layers of beets. Next, add the orange wedges. I'm also garnishing it with some oxalis leaves and a few edible flowers. And to finish it up, add a good drizzle of the balsamic vinegar and honey dressing. And it is time to eat. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.